Finally wet sanding it. I palmed this out to get painted because I ran out of time. Me and my son, Cody. Cody, I said, not Brody. So yeah, we're just wet sanding now. Got it back about 2 weeks ago. It's taken 7 years for this car, so I really don't give a damn what it looks like now. It looked good. I'm gonna drive it. All day so far. We're up to, we done a quick one at 1500 and up to 2000 at the moment. There. And 2000 the boot.
I've got polish on there.
Yeah, no, just sand it. Go a bit harder. And then we're going to 3000. And then going to polish it. Not worry about underneath the bonnet because it's got this fancy blue shit under there. I'll clean all that up. Wiring next. Finish all the wiring. So today I just want to possibly get all the sanding done. Tomorrow we'll polish. And then got to do the convertible top. I've got a new light which I'm going to wire up. Should look quite cool. Going to make it go down. Have a red light district. Okay, so convertible top here. This is going to get done next when I get some more paint. Can't find half the nuts and bolts. Doing my head in. Not that desperate to shove metric ones in there. Don't think I'd ever do that. So yeah, Cody's gonna finish colour sanding.
Hi.
G'day Cody. How's your car going, alright? You getting there? I wouldn't dare put it on YouTube.
Where are you putting it?
Just leaving it on my phone to take up space. Put a lead on. Can't wait to get that on. Don't know about the ram air thing yet. Maybe not. Oh yeah, I can put all of the everything together. I can't wait actually. Got another speed controller. So see that little thing in there? That. Don't ever turn that too much without glasses on. If you wear glasses, make sure you don't turn it. And read the instructions first. Because I didn't.
How long have you been using this 2000 for?
Not that long. Not that long. That was an old power steering unit, MR2. Was going to run that, but it's too heavy, too bulky, plus you need a remote oil reservoir. So I decided to put this one in it. That one there. That is a power steering unit. So once it's all together, it should be alright. I've already got it plumbed up. I've got to clean up all this wiring here, that's the next job. So it's all plumbed up to the power steering unit right there. It's all ready to go. So it actually works. I just got to work out all the wiring again and clean it all up and mount it. Oh fuck, that's pretty good. Just got to mount it properly. Which, oh well, that's pretty cool actually. I might just take another mount from there to there. Ding! Yeah, that'd be cool. Oh, full. So yeah, see how that goes. Don't know how much current. No, yeah I do. Don't know why I said that. Okay. There we go now. Give an update later. Hurry up, Cody. Taking too long.
Did you get that tile?
Hear the what? Oh, yeah, cool. Is that actually cutting? It might not be cutting yet. What's
Look.
this one?
Some places are.
Is that,
Look,
that's
Oi.
2000, huh?
some places are. You can see.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
This concentrating on little bits.
okay. The places that aren't polished are polished.
Oh, I did a test run of polish on the boot, and I wish I hadn't. So what I'll do is cut through that shit there. Oh, fuck.